Happy New Year again, guys. I am back with another unboxing, and I have the Nintendo Switch 2 camera, which I got for Christmas off Amazon, and which I bought for Christmas, which you can play online, apparently, with your Switch 2. You just use your USB and you can play online. Of course, many people use this. So it's a bit like a Skype camera, and then there's the front. We got the camera there. There's how to set it up. And there's the spine. And then there's the back. And this picture shows how it's done. And it contains a USB camera. And then you can position it how you want to. So I open this up. Whoop. See, nearly knocked over the tripod stick. So unboxing this and then gives you the instructions. There's everything. There's the camera itself. So you get like the stand. And that's how you close it. And then that's how you open it. And then there's the back. And then there's the USB. Now I'll plug it at... Oh, there it is. There's the bit which you cannot see. So if I could just... If you could see it right there, that's where you plug it in. So... Now I'll just get my Switch 2. And then test it out. So then if I could just... There's... So I'll go to system settings. Then just put in then just turn it around. You can see, hello, it works. Right there, of course. That's how the USB camera works. Of course, if I could just... So don't forget to click below to like, comment, subscribe, tap the bell, notification bell on. You can follow me on social media, and you can check out my gaming channel, Huskies Gaming 2000, and see you for more coming in 2026. Take care and goodbye.